Okay guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a turkey recipe since it's like almost Christmas, isn't it? This time I'm trying to do simple but like delicious, and I tried this out the other day and it was actually very nice. Simple ingredients. This is how I'm going to season it with garam masala, and garam masala with turkey is amazing because especially Christmas time, it's got like this warm, fragrant kind of spicy taste to it. So yeah, and I add that with some garlic, and I've been loving smoked salt. That has just been adding like a bit of a pizzazz to my food, you know, a pizzazz. Okay, I'm gonna begin by getting the cap of the garam masala and filling it up, and then I'm just gonna like that. Yep. Then I'm gonna get some olive oil so it can spread easily over it. You don't want it to be all like crumbly. And then I'm gonna get 1 tablespoon, not tablespoon, oh that's too much, 1 teaspoon. 1 heaped teaspoon of smoky salt. Ooh, come out. You don't want it too salty and you don't want it too bland. Okay. And then I'm just gonna get these. We're gonna pressure cook this first and then air fry it, just to get the skin crispy. Okay, come on. You know, an easy way to peel garlic is just to put it in the microwave for like a few seconds and it will come out of its shell, because this is taking long. Coming right back, don't miss me. Okay, I've microwaved it now and it's a bit easier to come out of its shell. Okay, yeah. Simple. Put that one there, boop. Put that one there, boop. Right, this one didn't get hot. How's your day going? Okay, already this smells so divine and just warm and mistletoe season. What song was that? I don't know. Okay, now I'm just gonna rub this with my fingerlets. The garlic, I don't know why I put it on top of it. It's gonna go in the pressure cooker. But yeah, I'm just gonna massage this. This can be a bit messy, but it is what it is. Get it all over. I'm gonna pop this in the pressure cooker for, I'll say 40 minutes on low medium heat. It's in the pressure cooker and I've added the garlic, and I'm gonna add some water just to stop it from sticking, and also for something else after, you will see. Just a little bit, not too much. Covered it up and now I'm just gonna put it on the fire. Okay guys, air fried it on max crisp. We have a Ninja max crisp for 10 minutes, so it should be ready now. And I'm just gonna cut it. And I'll show you what I did with the watery broth thing. Look at that steam. It just melts. I don't know how I'm cutting this. It's very juicy. You want some? Sorry. With the water in the pressure cooker with the garlic, basically I made a broth. I added some coconut milk you can cut up the turkey and make like a Christmas ramen. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make some noodles and put it in the broth. Simple. I didn't add anything else but the coconut milk, and I'll say you can add a star anise as well.